today's video, I will be making a traditional Persian drink. The name of this drink is Doogh, and it is made with yogurt and also with carbonated water. You can also make it with regular water if you like. That's for the people that do not like the carbonated water taste in their mouth. But this is very delicious and it's very easy to make. En el video de hoy voy a estar haciendo una gaseosa de yogur persa y es muy fácil de hacer. Doogh is a drink that is traditionally served with cello kebabs and any type of barbecued kebabs. This is an excellent drink for the summer because it's very refreshing. La bebida gaseosa de Doogh es una bebida que se acompaña con todas las brochetas de carne y todas las parrilladas y es bastante refrescante para los meses de verano que es muy caliente. Comencemos con el video ahora. We're going to start by adding 1 cup of unflavored yogurt. Vamos a comenzar con una taza de yogur que no tenga sabor. Now we're going to be adding 3 cups of fizzy water. Ahora vamos a agregar 3 tazas de agua con burbujas o agua carbonada. We're going to be adding half a teaspoon of salt. Ahora vamos a agregar media cucharadita de sal. Now we're going to add a pinch of pepper. Ahora vamos a agregar una pizca de pimienta. Now we're going to be adding a handful of fresh mint. If you don't have fresh mint at hand, then you're going to have to use 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Ahora vamos a agregar un puñado de menta fresca o si no la tiene, una cucharada de menta seca. The next thing you want to do before you serve this drink is add plenty of ice to the pitcher and mix it really well. Lo último que vamos a hacer es agregar bastante hielo a la jarra y mezclarlo bien. I hope you tried this refreshing drink. Espero que ustedes prueben esta bebida que es tan refrescante. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do it now. Espero les haya gustado el video y si les ha gustado denme un me gusta y si no se han suscrito a este canal, por favor háganlo ahora. Gracias.